Hello, today I'm going to talk about drones application in construction industry. And here's the content of the presentation. With the increase of market competition pressure, the profits of the construction enterprise are getting lower and lower, and the vigorous development of new technology has also caused certain impact on the traditional management method of the construction industry. The engineering and construction industry is at the forefront of a new era, with the emergence of innovative building technology startups and the effort to build new tools and applications that will ultimately change the way companies design, plan, and operate on projects. Therefore, construction enterprise and construction industry practitioners are required to change management thinking, introduce new technology, improve management efficiency, and reduce management costs. As a hot technology in recent years, drones have been promoted to the civilian sector, and their application potential in the construction field has gradually become more prominent. The drone aerial photography system used for mapping usually uses a fixed-wing light drone equipped with digital camera equipment, which includes remote sensing equipment, data transmission system, flight navigation and control system, flight platform, and ground monitoring system. And here are some steps we need to go through when using drone to get some images. Route design, aerial photography flight, image quality inspection, supplementary flight or reflight if necessary, and last but not least, image control measurement.
Drones is one of the new technologies in the construction field, and I'm going to introduce 3 major drone applications in the following slides. Firstly, it could conduct building surveying works by its camera installed in the drone. For example, it can carry out maintenance inspections by laser scanning and thermal imaging to detect building defects. Secondly, drone can also apply to the project management. For instance, safety officer can monitor the working condition of the workers and prevent accidents from happening, especially at those high-risk locations. Also, drone is able to record and visualize project progress in a high resolution and give a supervisor a better insight into the progress. Last but not least, attractive promotional videos and photos can be taken by drones with its various viewing angles. Here is a short video to demonstrate these applications. Alright, let's move on to talk about the case study of the drone. In 2016, 2 contractors built a 14-kilometer road in Ireland. During the soil investigation stage, they have to calculate the volume of the soil that need to be dug out and filled in order to achieve the designed elevation levels and the required cost. However, contractors found out that the traditional method to carry out the surveying works is time-consuming and expensive. From this table, the duration of using drone is only half a day, but the traditional method takes 3 days, and the money saving is around €5,000 by using drones. To sum up, there are 2 main benefits by using drones. A huge reduction in surveying time and cost can be achieved, with 6 times shorter than the traditional method. Also, risks and dangers could be reduced, as surveyors no longer required to climb up those sheer rock cliffs to conduct surveys by using drones.
Now let's talk about the benefits of drones. These are the 4 advantages from drones that we can conclude from our analysis. I will first talk about the flexibility of drones, as drones can be adopted for various purposes such as thermal photo taking. This can therefore save labor and additional equipment costs, and time and cost effectiveness can be achieved. Moreover, as drones are small and they can easily get access to hostile area, this can reduce the chance of bearing of risks and dangers of the workers. In addition, as drones can also get access to human unreachable area, it can detect defects that cannot be seen by human eyes. The inspection can be complete in a more comprehensive way. Next, I'm going to talk about the challenges of using drones. Before I begin, We need to first realize one special issue about drones. Drones are small in size and they can get access to different places easily without being noticed. Therefore, it raised the concern about this invasion to privacy. It leads to the restriction of the use of drones in some area, such as military area, and drones cannot be adopted in such construction sites. Moreover, for the regulations of drones, they are very strict in order to protect the privacy and safety problem. Fines and sentences may be result due to violation. Now, let's have a wild guess game. When compared to the size of the battery of normal equipment and drones, which one do you think has the longer battery life? Apparently, it is the normal battery. As drones are small and they are sustained by the micro battery, their lifespan are very short and due to the ineffectiveness of charging, this is one of the greatest disadvantages.
Now here comes two suggestions. The first one is site standardization. A wide range of equipment and materials with different height is not conducive to drones image collection, and space chaos is not suitable for drones flight, so it is necessary to standardize the accumulation of construction site objects. The second one is to provide professionals to train drivers. Drones have a short battery life, so they need to constantly replace batteries, and they need stable flight. Therefore, it is necessary to strengthen the training of the operators who must have excellent skills to operate drones. The third one is to make use of the flexibility of drones. Drones can carry intelligent robotic arm and use of the mini-drones. Other suggestions, like companies need to ensure their drones comply with the Civil Aviation Authority's requirement and should purchase insurance to protect themselves and operators. There is an improvement in drone. A new startup company called TUT001 using a combination of drones and rovers to run the interior of a project, processed by TUT001's artificial intelligence software, which cross-references as-built 3D data with BIM models, so that it can monitor daily progress and expenditures and stay within budget and on schedule. In the future, a daily drone flight of a project site may provide data to build a model that checks design against schedule, integrate data seamlessly across organizations and projects, make data accessible to key stakeholders, report on equipment, personnel, means and methods, assess safety or environmental hazards, lead to smarter decisions and more efficient project delivery. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.